Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Very, very nice recovery. Yesterday, to think that at one point the price had actually dropped all the way down there on Wednesday. Now all of a sudden the price is all the way back up there. Like I said, if you needed to look up a dictionary definition of recovery, there you go. I mean, that is what we call a very, very impressive recovery. So definitely lots of updates here need to be done. First thing I want to talk about is what I would call the ideal level of support. And if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up above 580. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 580, I'm not saying at all that that means that everything is totally destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could somehow manage to actually stay up above the 580 mark, that would certainly be a very impressive sign of strength going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying up above $5.80 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? For this, going to need to squeeze down the chart here a little bit. So the near-term level of resistance to keep a close eye on is going to be right there. It looks like basically right where the price was rejected, right around 587, give or take a few pennies. And you can see going through the history of things, rejected the price. Price got up in the general area. And once again, price is currently sitting right up in that general area. So right around 587 will be that first main level. And then if the price can push up through that, next key area of resistance after that, right up around 595. All in all, though, like I said, fantastic recovery today. And not just a question going forward of can the price build upon this momentum. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.